Hello. Thank you for being interested in S as well thermostats. Now, let's take a look at how does the SEA802 Zigbee realize remote control. First, please make sure the Wi-Fi connected. Second, download the Amazon Alexa and Tuya Smart App Store. After registered account, log in App. Click Add Device. Choose ETRV and Small Home Appliances. Choose Configuring Wireless Gateway. Now, please make sure the red light of gateway flashes quickly. If not, long press the gateway button for 5 seconds. After red light fast flashing, click Confirm Indicator Rappel the Y blink. Choose your Wi-Fi. Enter password. Next. Adding device. Added successfully. Done. Choose Add Subdevice. Now we rotate the plate of ETRV to off. Long press the plate till the screen show double dash. Confirm LED already blink on App. Searching. Click Done. Now, we can start remote control. Click ETRV Zigbee. Slide off. Slide on. After the thermostat connected the network, open Amazon Alexa. Click on the menu bar in the upper left corner. Choose Skills and Games. Search Tuya. Choose Tuya Smart. Click Enable to Use. Enter Tuya account password. Click Link now. Authorize. Alexa, connect Tuya Smart successful. Next, we need configure the Echo Dot. Enter Amazon Alexa App. Click the menu bar at the left. Select Add Device. Choose Amazon Echo. Choose Echo Dot. Select the model of Echo Dot. We are using the second model. Click Continue.
Now is setup mode.
Next, long press the action button for 6 seconds until light change from blue to yellow. Now we back to Wi-Fi setting.
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
Connect to Echo Dot. Return to App. Click Continue. Continue. Connect to Wi-Fi. Enter Wi-Fi password. Click Continue.
Your Echo is ready.
Click Continue.
Skip. Skip.
Go to Home.
Hello, I'm Alexa. It's nice to meet you. There's a lot of fun and helpful things I can do. I have a quick introduction that we can walk through together. Can I show you some things to try?
Alexa, turn on ETRV Zigbee.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off ETRV Zigbee.
Okay.